How to make your life long. Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you 10 habits linked to a long life, backed by science. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of really powerful knowledge. Many people think that life expectancy is largely determined by genetics. However, genes play a much smaller role than originally believed. It turns out that environmental factors like diet and lifestyle are key. Here are 10 habits linked to a long life. 1. Avoid overeating. The link between calorie intake and longevity currently generates a lot of interest. Animal studies suggest that a 10 to 50% reduction in normal calorie intake may increase maximum lifespan. Limiting your calories may help you live longer and protect against disease. However, more human research is needed. 2. Eat more nuts. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in protein, fiber, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds. What's more, they're a great source of several vitamins and minerals, such as copper, magnesium, potassium, folate, niacin, and vitamins B6 and E. 3. Try out turmeric. When it comes to anti-aging strategies, turmeric is a great option. That's because this spice contains a potent bioactive compound called curcumin. Due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin is thought to help maintain brain, heart, and lung function, as well as protect against cancers and age-related diseases. 4. Eat plenty of healthy plant foods. Consuming a wide variety of plant foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and beans, may decrease disease risk and promote longevity. For example, many studies link a plant-rich diet to a lower risk of premature death, as well as a reduced risk of cancer, metabolic syndrome, heart disease, depression, and brain deterioration. 5. Stay physically active. It should come as no surprise that staying physically active can keep you healthy and add years to your life. As few as 15 minutes of exercise per day may help you achieve benefits, which could include an additional 3 years of life. 6. Don't smoke. Smoking is strongly linked to disease and early death. Overall, people who smoke may lose up to 10 years of life and be 3 times more likely to die prematurely than those who never pick up a cigarette. Keep in mind that it's never too late to quit. 7. Moderate your alcohol intake. Heavy alcohol consumption is linked to liver, heart, and pancreatic disease, as well as an overall increased risk of early death. However, moderate consumption is associated with a reduced likelihood of several diseases, as well as a 17 to 18% decrease in your risk of premature death. 1 is considered particularly beneficial due to its high content of polyphenol antioxidants. 8. Prioritize your happiness. Feeling happy can significantly increase your longevity. In fact, happier individuals had a 3.7% reduction in early death over a 5-year study period. Happiness likely has positive effects not only for your mood but also your lifespan. 9. Avoid chronic stress and anxiety. Anxiety and stress may significantly decrease your lifespan. For instance, women suffering from stress or anxiety are reportedly up to 2 times more likely to die from heart disease, stroke, or lung cancer. Similarly, the risk of premature death is up to 3 times higher for anxious or stressed men compared to their more relaxed counterparts. 10. Nurture your social circle. Researchers report that maintaining healthy social networks can help you live up to 50% longer. In fact, having just 3 social ties may decrease your risk of early death by more than 200%. Nurturing close relationships may result in decreased stress levels, improved immunity, and an extended lifespan. Longevity may seem beyond your control, but many healthy habits may lead you to a ripe old age. These include drinking coffee or tea, exercising, getting enough sleep, and limiting your alcohol intake. Taken together, these habits can boost your health and put you on the path to a long life. And that's it for today. Now you know the secret of longevity. If you really care about achieving your goal, don't forget to put this knowledge into practice. Remember that just watching this video will do nothing to you if you don't take action. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.